Alright, this is actually a freestanding wood stove that's been inserted or piped into a fireplace. Well, it's actually an insert. It's an old insert from the 1970s. And the way they used to hook these up back then was through a direct connect system. This is a direct connect pan. The stove is going to slide and connect. It's going to slide into this port right here. And this pan goes into the fireplace like this. And it goes up into the area where the damper is, and it bolts it. It screws into position up here. And a couple of reasons for this pan was if there was a chimney fire, to keep fire from coming out and running up the wall up here. I've personally seen that happen. So this is what's considered an unlined insert. There's not a stainless steel liner running down the chimney, coming down and connecting to the back of the stove here. So what happens is there's a big open cavity up here, and when you sweep the chimney on an insert that has an old direct connect system like this, all the soot ends up on the top side of this direct connect pan. So when we cleaned this, there was a bunch of soot that landed on this pan. So that's why it's important that on an unlined insert, the insert gets pulled out and the direct connect pan gets dropped and removed, so that all of the soot can be cleaned off of here, and these large chambers up above the damper can be cleaned and accessed. And this back wall of the fireplace, there's usually a cavity behind this back wall. You have to snake a hose up and over the damper to clean out all the soot and debris that lands on this back wall. And if there's been numerous chimney fires, you'll have a lot of debris back behind this back wall that should be removed.